we're pressed for time, the first things to go from our workout routine are our warm-up and our cool-down. But both of those things are key if we want to get the most out of our workouts and prep our body to move well each session. If you want to improve your recovery, you want to create even just a quick cool-down after your workout that includes both foam rolling and stretching. It can be even just a couple of minutes, but you want to use this time post-workout to relax the areas that have been worked, but also to address areas that are tight from our daily posture. It's that time when you're most flexible and mobile, often from just having trained, and it's the perfect time to really solidify that mobility with a little extra work. Not to mention, by including foam rolling and lower intensity stretching, you can help yourself more quickly recover for your next training session. This means reducing overall soreness, or even the duration, so the length of time that you're sore, which can help you make sure you're better able to recruit muscles correctly during your next training session. Foam rolling post-workout reduces DOMS and reduces decreases in performance and even improves mobility in the days following an intense training bout. It overall decreases recovery time. And this is key because it could help you include more volume and intensity in your training program, which could lead to better strength and endurance gains. It also allows you to be able to recover faster, especially when rebuilding post-injury. And low-intensity stretching has also been shown to have similar benefits. While static stretching may negatively impact our training session when used as part of our warm-up routine, low-intensity static stretching post-workout may actually improve your recovery time and help mitigate muscle soreness. Not only can both aid in our recovery, but that bonus mobility work when we're warm can help us maintain that full range of motion and will help us move better and prevent injury overall. While you will want to pick moves that address the areas that you worked that day, so if you did a lot of push-ups, including a doorway chest stretch will be key, you also want to consider areas that become tight because of sitting at a computer all day as well. That doorway chest stretch is also a great one to reverse the hunch posture we often find ourselves in while texting on our phones and driving in the car. Or if you did a leg day and are constantly seated at a desk, adding in some TFL foam rolling as well as a half kneeling hip stretch would be good too. And if you've had hip pain in the past, you may even find you throw in a bonus additional move as prehab, such as rectus femoris foam rolling. You can not only address the areas that you worked, but also work to avoid postural distortions, imbalances, and compensations by doing that bonus mobility work when your body is super loose and warm. The best rehab is prehab, and this is just another way to include it. And especially if you have specific problem areas, like you've suffered from piriformis issues in the past, including a piriformis foam rolling move after your workout as prehab could be key. The more things we do to move well, even just quick little additions, the stronger and more injury-free we will be.
If you liked the video, make sure to like it, comment below if you have any questions, and subscribe. We're posting new videos each week.